guys! So today I'll be showing you how to make these delicious blueberry donuts. I got the recipe from GrandBaby Cakes and today I will be tweaking it very slightly. They're actually super delicious. They taste just like how I had them at this place in Orange County called M&M's, but they have like the best blueberry donuts ever, super crispy, and basically like everyone will wait late at night for them. Literally at like 12 a.m. you go and get donuts. Like, who does that, you know? But there would always be a long line and it was a mom and pop shop. Those were good memories and I always think about those donuts. And the fun fact about those donuts were that they were actually served in a pizza box. So yeah, even weirder, right? But great memories made when I was in college, so I definitely wanted to rekindle those flames by looking up this recipe during quarantine, testing it out, loving it, and deciding to make it again. So let's get started.
First things first, mix your wet and dry ingredients separately in two different mixing bowls. In the bowl with our wet ingredients, we will be adding 1 egg. Mix it well. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and half a cup of milk. Add 4 tablespoons of melted butter at room temperature. I like to mix as I'm pouring the butter in. Now that your wet ingredients are well mixed, we are going to move on to the dry ingredients. Add 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. You will get a more accurate measurement if you spoon the flour into the measuring cup because it prevents the flour from getting packed. Add 6 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Add your blueberries to the dry mix to coat them with flour so they will be nicely incorporated once the wet ingredients are added. Now add your wet ingredients into the dry mix bowl. Carefully mix till everything looks well combined. Try not to smash the blueberries. On a floured surface, spread the mixed donut dough. I like to add more flour on top before pressing the dough down with my spatula because it does get pretty sticky. My dough was actually a little too sticky to work with, so I ended up needing a little more flour into the dough. Don't be scared if you need to do the same. Have a lined and floured baking sheet ready to place your cutout donuts onto. To get the donut shapes, you'll need 2 different size cutters for the donuts. I'm using a 3-inch round cookie cutter and a shot glass. Feel free to use any kinds of shapes you prefer. Get creative! It helps to flour the edges of the cookie cutters that you'll be using because this helps prevent the dough from sticking. Now it's time to cut your donuts. Save the smaller cutouts to make donut holes. You can keep reworking your dough to get the most out of it. Look how many donuts I got! Next, we will heat up our pot of vegetable oil to 360 degrees. I suggest you use an oil thermometer. While we wait for our oil to heat up, we will make the glaze. In a small pot on medium heat, mix a 1/4 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 cups of powdered sugar. Mix until well combined. Place the mixture in a bowl within another bowl of warm water to keep it running. It's time to fry your donuts. We'll be frying each donut for 2 to 3 minutes on each side till browned. Don't fry too many donuts at once or the oil will change in temperature too fast. Remember, when placing the donuts into the oil, place it away from you. This is to prevent it from splashing onto you. Since we are working with hot oil, we want to be as safe as possible. Once you're done frying all your donuts, dip them into the warm glaze mix. I like to only dip one side because it's sweet enough for me, but feel free to dip both. Look how amazing they look. So nicely glazed. Ooh.
Alright, now that we're all done with these blueberry donuts, we get to test it and taste it now. It's like crunchy, crispy. Oh my gosh, so good. I'm a happy camper. So, thank you for watching. Hope this recipe inspired you guys and hope you guys are going to try it and enjoy it and just love every bit of it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like. If you like this video, like it. If you don't, just leave it alone. And subscribe. And also, you can follow my Instagram page at HangryHangryBecca. I'll link it down below as well. So yeah, enjoy. Bye.